Hello everyone! In this video, I will have a dialogue asking about time, day, date, and season. In this video, I will play two role names, Sinta and Mita. What are you waiting for? Let's go watch together. Hi, how are you? I'm good, thank you. And you? I'm good too. What are you doing? Just relaxing. Where are you? I am the park. The weather is so sunny. Oh, really? It's a bit cloudy here. What time is it there? It's around 10 now. Wow, it's still very early. I just woke up. You really like to sleep late? What day is it? It's Sunday. Do you have any plan for today? No special plans yet. Maybe just going for a walk. What the date today? It's the 11th. It's really the middle of the month. Yeah, time flies so fast. What season is there now? It's the rain season now. It's been raining a lot for the past few days. I'm still the dry season here. It's quite hot. I would be nice if we could swap weather for a bit. Exactly. When can we meet again? Maybe next week. Let's read it later. Okay, let me now. Enjoy your Sunday. You too. See you. The video above is some dialogue that asks about time, day, date, and season. See you in the exam. Thank you and see you.